everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom gem in Gemini that can help with your daily work tasks. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Gemini AI in your browser and then just log in with your Google account, just like you normally do. Next, just click on menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the corner, this one, and then just select Explore Gems. This is where you can browse existing gems or just create your own gems. Now just click on new gem, this one, to start building your custom one. And then first just give your gems a name. For example, like this. And then in the instructions, just describe clearly what you want your gem to do. For example, like this. Like this. I will make it like this. And next, you can also add knowledge files by upload reference files if you wanted. But in this tutorial, I will skip this part because Gemini will still follow the rule and instructions perfectly fine without it. And then before saving, it's always a good idea to test it. For example, you can ask like this. And like this, if the answer looks good like this, then you are all set. Finally, you can click Save to save your gems, and your productivity gems is now ready to use anytime you need. Like this. And okay, that's it. That's how you create a gem in Gemini AI. And even if without reference files, your gems will still work effectively because the instructions alone guide Gemini's responses. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.